Okay, once again, very good evening to everyone. So today we'll discuss about inverted index construction. Okay, so now you see, I think now visible to everyone. Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now inverted index construction. So document to be indexed. So initially uh, we have some documents. Now our main objective is to convert into the inverted index. So here example is given. Suppose one document is there. So within the document, now these are the terms. So friends, Romans and countrymen. So first step is, first of all, we tokenizer use. So tokenizer. So after tokenizer, that means initially. So now here you check after tokenizer. Here we'll separate three terms: friends, Romans and countrymen. Now separate terms are there. So this is called token stream. So token stream are friends, Romans and countrymen. After that, now linguistic module. So here now we'll get, after linguistic module we'll get modified token. So now you check what exactly we are getting after linguistic model. So here we are getting modified token. So here one thing is happening, uh, plural to singular. Suppose friends. So here simply you have written here friend. Then Roman to Roman, and it is called so depuralization. So plural to singular, and it is called depuralization. And another thing here, if you see another thing, anyone can say what changes are there. If you see this one, token stream friends, Romans and countrymen. After that, we are getting this one, modified token. To see the change and what is the difference between token stream and modified token. One thing I already discussed, singular to plural to singular. Any other thing changes here? Anyone can say token
सर
stream.
कैपिटल टी स्मॉल हो रहा है.
Yes, capital to smaller. So this is called case folding. Case folding. So this is a modified token. Now, indexer. So now indexer, here indexer, what will
सर
do after when we apply indexer? So now we'll get friend, Roman, countrymen, and this is the posting list. Posting list. So this is a inverted index. This is an inverted index. Friend is a document. That means within the document, these are the term and these are the posting list. Okay. Yes. Now, anyone have any doubt in this block diagram? Anyone have any doubt in this block diagram? Inverted index construction, how that means from document to be indexed, after that we'll get inverted index. So initially document to be indexed, after that token stream, then modified tokens and inverted index. And here we are applying tokenizer initially, then linguistic module, then indexer. After that we'll get this one. Okay, this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next, so now we first of all we see the term. So initial stages of text processing. So this term we use in next. So before that we should know the term. What is this? So tokenization. So cut character sequence into word token. Suppose example is deals with Jones, a state of the art solution. So cut the character sequence into word token. So a state of the art solution. Now, so now you see here, uh, so after tokenization, what we'll get? Anyone? Anyone can say?
Sir, what's token?
Yes,
What's token?
yes, word token individually. Now you see this one. I think compiler design में भी आप लोग पढ़े हो इसको. Next one, normalization. Map text and query term to same form. You want USA and USA to match. That means we are discuss about when we are searching in the search engine. Yes. So when we are search in the search engine, maybe you can search USA or U dot SA. Yes or no? But we'll get the result if you search USA and U dot SA. Yes or no? Then what we'll get? Same thing. Yes or no? But how? Actually, our main objective is information retrieval. So how information will retrieve? So generally we are searching in the Google search. So maybe U.SA and USA. Then how system will understand? कैसे वो सर्च इंजन को पता चलता है कि क्या उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना U.SA and USA. ऐसा और भी टर्म्स है. When we'll discuss about more details, now just we'll discuss initial term. Simply, another thing is stemming. Stemming means we may use different forms of root to match. That means authorize and authorization. Authorize, authorization. Stemming क्या है? Stemming, we may use different forms of root. Different form of root. So that means, so root word, authorize, authorization. Any other example anyone can give?
Sir, annexity and annexious,
Yes.
annexity, annexious.
Suppose, uh, okay. Suppose eat, eating, and eaten. Suppose, for example, the stem of the word, suppose eating, eat, or eaten is eat. Okay, eat, eating, eaten is a eat. So stemming is a technique used to extract the base form of the word by removing affixes. जो affixes है from them. ठीक है. So maybe eaten, eating, or eat. So is a eat, actually eat. So this is a stemming. Now stop words. We know everyone stop words. So these are the stop words. The, a, to, of. Okay, so these are the, so we may omit very common words or not, the, a, to, of. These are the स्टॉप वर्ड. ये सब चीज बाद में यूज होगा. ठीक है, अभी जस्ट ये टर्म बताया. अभी नेक्स्ट ये बाद में आप लोग का यूज होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, टोकन सीक्वेंस. So sequence of modified token document pair. So suppose one document 1 and document 2. So document 1, so this is the document 1. I did enact Julius Caesar and I was killed. The capital Brutus killed me. And document 2, so let it be with Caesar, the noble Brutus hath told you Caesar was Avius. So in this way, so suppose one document 1 and document 2 is there. Now how will make? So first of all, so our main that is sequence of modified token and document ID pair. How will prepare the this chart or this table? So initially, first of all, we write one by one term. So I did enact Julius Caesar. Okay, Julius Caesar. I was killed. So individual term we write down first of all, and document ID, because we are getting this term from document ID. That's why we are retaining here 11111. Again, we'll start from document 2. Document 2, that means here, so let it be with Caesar, the noble Brutus. So just one by one, we just write down the term. So these are the terms. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus has told you, and Caesar was ambitious. So in this way, we write down one by one. So these are the terms, and this is the, and these are the document ID. So this is the sequence of modified tokens and document ID pair. Okay. So index are steps, token, sequence. So this is the procedure. Anyone have any doubt? This one? Simply we write down in this. Yes, this one is okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, sort by term. Next, next, sort by term. And then, so that means here, sort by term. So these are the term I did enact on this one. So how will sort? So sort means here alphabetically we sort. So A, first of all ambitious, B, Brutus, Brutus, capital Caesar. So we'll start from term and we check alphabetically A, B, C, D. In this way we sorted. So this is the sorted form. So sort by term. So sort by term. That's why here we have written we start from A alphabetically A, B, C, D in this way, and in and parallelly we write the document ID. Ambitious. So ambitious document ID we check here. Ambitious document ID is 2. So that's why here we have written 2. Similarly, you can check B, Brutus. So first of all, we'll get Brutus from document ID 1. So that's why Brutus 1. Again, we'll get Brutus. Brutus again we'll get from document ID 2. Caesar also same. First of all, we'll get from document ID 1, and after that, we'll get from document ID 2. So that's why we have written here 1, 2. If suppose here 3 times I. So that's why we have written here 3 times 1. Killed 2 times, that's why 1. So in this way we prepare this one. Okay. So this one is okay. How will sort by term? That means sort by term and then document ID. Yes, this one is okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, now so indexer steps, so dictionary and posting. So first of all, if you see, that means before that we'll get the sorted by, that means term, that means before that we'll get this one from here, sort by term. So sort by term, this one, this chart is a sort by term, so term and document ID. Now next step, next step, multiple terms entries in a single document are merged. If multiple terms entries in a single document are merged, उसको कैसे merged करेंगे? Yes, so if you see here, ambitious, ambitious is one, B is one, but Dotas is two. So now my question is, why two? So here we have written here highest frequency. That means here we have written document ID 2. So here we have written जिसका frequency, that means यहाँ पे document ID document ID 1 and 2 both में है. So that's why we have written here 2 highest. If you check any other, suppose Caesar, तो Caesar में यहाँ पे 2.
सीजर्स का 3 रो है सर.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं मतलब हाईएस्ट जो, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे जो इसका डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी 2 है, वो जैसे यहाँ पे ब्रोटस में भी 1 में भी है, डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी 1 में भी और 2 में है, तो जो हाईएस्ट जो है वो वाला लिख रहे, दैट मीन्स डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी 2, तो वो यहाँ पे लिख रहे. एनी अदर यू कैन चेक, एनी अदर, सपोज दा, यहाँ पे देखिए दा, तो यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट है ना 1 में भी है 2 में भी है, तो यहाँ पे उसका 2. आफ्टर दैट, तो ये आपका टर्म एंड डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. एनी अदर was, you can check here 2. No, little bit I have also doubt. Actually here we have written the document frequency. Yes, yes, so document frequency. So that means here just simply we write down here how many times, that means not how many times, that means if document ID 1 and 2 both, then we'll write 2. If only one document, then we write here 1. Sorry for that. Yes, sorry. Just you see, check. Suppose ambitious. Yes, ambitious term is one time. So that's why not one time, that is only one document. So that's why we have written here 1. Similarly, B. So B means here document frequency is 1. But Brutus is document ID 1 and 2, both document ID. That's why we have written here 2. Capital 1. Okay. Caesar, if we count 3 times, but here we have written 2 because of I think document, that means here we only 2 document ID, document 1 and 2. So here both documents, that means Caesar is present in the both document 1 and 2. That's why we have written here 2. Did 1. If you check any other, suppose was, so was,
killed.
yes, killed also. So killed also, that means killed, killed. Yes, 1 because only one document. Yes, yes. Now I think clear to everyone. Ki how many frequent? That means only two documents ID is there, document 1 and document 2. So maximum 2 document frequency. Okay. So that's why we have written here 1 2. Just simply here we have written frequency 1 2 2 2 this in this way. Okay. And after that we have written here posting list. So posting list I think we know, because posting list means in which document this term is available. So if we check here ambitious, so ambitious will get from document ID 2. If you check here B, so we'll get document ID from B, that means 2. Now Brutus, so Brutus will get from document ID 1 and 2. That's why you have written here 1 and 2. Caesar 1 and 2. Similarly, the 1 and 2 and was 1 and 2. So this is the, that means dictionary and posting. So split into dictionary and posting, and document frequency information is added. So in this way, that means dictionary and posting. Yes, this one is clear to everyone. This one again I am repeat this one. If anyone have any doubt, so here term and document ID is there. So just again I am repeat one by one. So first of all we'll get initially here two documents are there, document 1 and document 2. So first of all we'll get from document 1 term and document ID. So now you see here, I did enact Julius Caesar, I was killed. So individually write down the term and document ID. So we'll get the data from document ID. So that's why we have written here 1. Now after that, we will check document 2 and individually we write down the term. So in this way, we write down the term and we'll get the document ID. Yes, this one is okay. Now next step is, now sort by term. Again we repeat this term. This is the important, sort by term. So that's why we have, so initially we are getting this one. Uh, just wait, power cut. Yes, yes. So this one is an important term, sort by term. So that's why we have written this one. So start from, that means alphabetically A, B, Ambitious, B, Brutus. So that's, and parallelly we have written the document ID. Okay. So in this way we sort by term and add then document ID. Next, so core indexing step. Now next, so next one is a, so indexer, so dictionary and posting. So multiple entries in a single document. So now you see, check here. So how we have, that means suppose n here, uh, just first of all we write down the document frequency. That means if you check here ambitious, so ambitious how many times, that means only one available in the only one document, that is document ID 2. So that's why you have written here 1. So 1, again I am repeat this one. So in this way first of all we write down the term and document frequency. After that we'll get, that means posting list. So posting list, so posting list means Brutus is available in the document ID 1 and 2. Similarly, Caesar document ID 1 and 2. So in this way we have, that means we write down this, we prepare the chart. term and count. This one. Why do we pay in storage? So same things here. So IR system implementation. How do we index efficiently and how much storage do we need? Okay, these are the list of document ID. So this thing we'll discuss the next class. So how do we that means how do we index efficiency and how much storage do we need? So next class, because only 1 minute left, so next class we'll discuss this one, and next class another thing we'll discuss uh, query optimization. Okay, I already discussed this one. So next class we'll discuss this one. So I already discussed this one, this problem, query processing. So next class we'll discuss this portion and this one, query optimization. Okay. Okay. So till now, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. So today's topic was inverted index construction. How will that means inverted index construction initially? First of all, we discuss this one. After that, this one, this term, and then